hope I come up with something decent. Yeah, it turns out painting with a broken paintbrush is pretty hard. Alright guys, time's up. Time to show me your work. Easy. I tried really hard. Lily? What's that blob? I know kindergartners that can draw better than that. No way. And Susie, what's this? You know how to draw. What are all these blobs? It looks terrible. I don't like it at all. Zach, your work, which, unlike everybody else's, is pretty okay. So, I guess you get the grand prize in this round. What? Me? Wow, I'm so happy. Wow, what a cool gun. Now I'm gonna show you guys why you should never steal from Zach. Oh man, all it shoots is bubbles. Well, whatever. Bubbles are fun. This is such a cool gun. I love it.